Hello everyone, and I'm here now to start a brand new show. So today I'm going to be reacting to the first episode of the anime Metallic Rouge. So what is Metallic Rouge? It's a brand new original anime by Studio Bones that's also getting a same day dub by Crunchyroll. So let's check out the synopsis first. Alright, I have it here. In a world where humans coexist with androids called Neans, a group known as the Immortal Nine rise up against society. Tasked with disposing the revolters, a Nean named Rouge Red Star, aka Metal Rouge, and investigator Naomi Earthman head to Mars to track them down. But first, Rouge wants some chocolate. Okay, not sure about the last part, but I saw the trailer and it seemed a bit interesting. So let's check out the first episode, and after that, maybe I'll have some stuff to talk about it. Alright then. I hope you enjoy my reaction to this first episode of Metallic Rouge. Please leave a like on the video if you do. Share your thoughts on my reaction and on the show in the comments down below. And please subscribe to my channel for more. And with that said, let's get started. Volume I meant. Was that supposed to be a reference like Attack on Titan did? Because they showed the birds flying in the first one. Mars. Wait, this is Mars Metallic Rouge. They're not showing the opening in the first episode, are they? I like this setting so far. Not sure about the mouth. I'm guessing that's Rouge.
One hell of a bug, huh? Looks like it was strong enough to kill Malik.
No, poor Malik! I can't believe you were done in by something as simple as a cold. Bullshit!
It's time to tell us who you are.
Who are you? Joker.
Watch it, girl.
Hey, come on.
I'm so sorry. She's a little new at this.
Hold on. Where did...
We're trying to find the chocolate.
Need this?
Yeah, I
Oh, no.
appreciate it.
Cut the crap, Scarhead! Get cleaner!
You're certain it's gone?
Yeah, but it was here a few hours ago.
Then please, use mine.
If I take yours, you'll stop working, and we both know that they would discard you.
Oi!
But you'll need a shot of nectar before the day ends, too.
I'm certain it must be around here somewhere.
Right.
Those two stole it. What that is.
I heard that the Neons are alien spies sent to live among us.
You gotta be some kind of stupid if you think they're like the visitors.
So those guys are the neons, and they need that kind of injection.
Who was that man with her?
A Panacea executive. I think his name's Herman.
Herman Hayward?
That's it. I checked him out as well as I could. But I didn't see a nectar intake port anywhere on him.
What will look and tell you? Aren't you the same?
Yeah.
Tweet, tweet.
Oh, he also needs that.
Never get proof. Then take some tweeting action.
Her too, huh?
Are you alright?
No. Well, not her anyway. Oh, just left.
The red gladiator found me here.
Red Gladiator. That's the same bird, isn't it? Huh? Who did that? Oh, you. So much for that. Mysterious that Fifi goes on rampage. Oh, that thing.
Give it back! Give me my nectar! You acting
Nectar.
defective? What are you talking about? Give it back to me!
Wait, did he just die? He didn't just die, did he? Oh, he did.
Sometimes. Glad you made it.
You too, whoever you are.
Tweet, tweet.
Oh, the bird's voice. I had no idea there was an actual person talking through the bird. Oh, well, I had no idea there was an actual person talking through the bird. Oh,
I think she heard you.
sorry. I had no idea.
As she.
Are you having a memory malfunction?
Could you tell me who you are then?
You can call me Naomi Orthman.
I appreciate your support. As for what you can call me,
I know.
thanks, I think.
Excuse me, waiter. An extra large fried rice, twice cooked pork, mambo tofu, and 2 dozen.
Okay.
Any new information since our last chat?
Nah, Sarah couldn't be Viola.
Viola? What's that?
Because I saw our diva inject herself with nectar. She's a Neon Rouge, and I'd be willing to bet that she's one of the Immortal Nine, Viola King.
Also known as Purgatory Viola.
Crimson is. I didn't see that.
I gave you all the information you needed.
Yes, you were marvelous. Oh, you even tainted your body to get the info for me, and then you put that dirty body on the line to make sure that I got it. And all the nectar was taken right out from under me, rendering the whole thing pointless. The archenemy of us alters, who cut the power on poor Neas and Achilles for good. The red gladiator we've been looking for.
He tried to murder me the other night.
You don't say. Glad you're safe.
Wait.
Do you recall anything odd lately?
Odd.
Has anyone unfamiliar tried to approach you?
Like who? Not Rouge, right?
Aren't you gonna eat something?
Nah, I'm good.
Yep, there it is.
What the hell?
Oh, yeah, that.
So here's the footage of the suspect once again.
Who is that?
You mean you don't recognize him?
Red gladiator. That's what they called it.
You should have some meat.
Nah, I'm good.
Just chocolate? Sarah.
Miss Sarah,
Follow me. I'd like a little company.
I don't trust this.
When I decided to start over, I crossed this bridge. On that side, I abandoned the real me that people knew from my past. Viola Keene. I really liked you, which makes this quite a shame.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Neons can't kill anyone.
We're not your run-of-the-mill neons. You would know. You're the same as us.
What? Oi! Oh, that thing again. But it tried to attack you. Wait, so wait, don't get what's happening here. That thing tried to attack you a while ago.
I was certain she was the real
Oh, that guy.
That's right. You have the power to mimic other people. So the person who attacked me the other night was...
Oh, that was.
Why did you threaten my life back there?
What do you mean? That was an act of great mercy. I saw you needed a push in the right direction. You know I'm the last person who'd ever want you dead.
Are you now?
She was probably an agent of Alethea, one of their dogs. And what else is there to do with a bad dog?
You don't know that. Oh. Oh.
Fun surprise.
Is that actually her? That's actually her. Nice.
All right now. Thank you for the show. No, you told me it wouldn't be a problem to kill her, so from here, you're the star for today.
Great.
Before I kill you, I'd like to know your name.
My name is Metal Rouge.
And you? Ooh.
And I am one of the members of the Immortal Nine. Purgatory Viola.
Purgatory Viola. Oh! The music. What was that?
Quit dodging! Naomi? If you can take a few more hits, I can analyze her.
Oh gosh.
What did Neas and Achilles do to deserve death? What did any of us do to you? Who the hell do you think you are?
That wasn't her, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, I like the way they're moving.
I just want to sing! Everything I've done was to find happiness!
Nice.
Cheeky bitch!
Or just stop now. Ooh. How many takes do they have?
I will live till tomorrow! I won't die!
You're getting to your breaking point! Your outer shell is starting to melt!
Uh-oh. Oh. That's all it took. Yep, she's done.
I remember the day we met. It was raining just like this.
And she just left. More chocolate.
So, where to next?
Come on, Rouge.
Okay. Is this the opening? Or is it the ending? Who is this singer? I can't see the name. Is it catchy? Falling star. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Project Rouge. Alright, now I'm gonna go back and take a look at a few more things and then I'll talk about it. I'll be right back. Okay, I have to go back and check out a lot of that to see the stuff I missed. Let's see if I'm understanding this right so far. The neons are those android-like things that need that nectar injection to survive it looks like. But there are some that are able to disguise themselves as humans, and pretty well actually. So normally they're not able to fight each other, but it seems like there are a few that can, being that Joker guy, Rouge, and Viola. And there could be some more of them also. So they're on Mars apparently, and it seems like Rouge has actually been hunting down and killing off certain of these neons. So Sarah, or actually Viola, was their next target. They thought that she may be something, but they had to get closer to find out. So they approached her. But the Joker guy kind of thought that she may be the Red Gladiator. So we don't know exactly why, but for some reason, Rouge and Naomi are hunting down these Immortal Nine people. Or not necessarily them, but they're hunting down some of the neons and taking them out. So two of them were actually friends of Sarah's, and that's why she wanted to get paid back for them. So yeah, that's about it. They didn't say too much just yet, and it seems like so Naomi's actually been helping out Rouge for a while, but they never actually got to meet face to face until now. She was only talking to the bird, but this is the first time that they actually met face to face. I'm assuming at some time they'll tell us a bit more about these two and why we were just hunting down the others, but because for now I just don't know that. So they showed us a bit of the world. They showed us Mars that's now been inhabited by people and also by these neons, they could call them. So they're the ones who actually need the nectar. If a person tries to take it, then nothing happens to them. But yeah, it seems like Rouge is trying to do something to some of these other neons, and I assume by the next episode they'll explain it a bit more. So I guess this was okay for an introductory episode. The animation looked nice. Action was a bit okay. It was nothing groundbreaking, but I guess it wasn't so bad. I like the English cast also. They're doing the dub nicely so far. And yeah, I think I'd see a bit more to properly grasp what's happening over here. But yep, that's it for this. So let's see. So if I'm understanding this right, Naomi is a normal human and Rouge is a neon. Although some of them hide their nectar things in compartments like the way Sarah did, so who knows. But I think Naomi is supposed to be a human. Okay, so let's wait until next time to see what else this thing has in store for us. Thank you for watching my reaction to this first episode of Metallic Rouge, and I'll see you all in the next episode for more. Bye everyone.